you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? Oh, you come to gym for fun, and we'll get you on the run. How do you do, everybody? How do you do?
Hi everyone, it's Teacher Jade here, and this is the Little Gym at Home. Today we are bringing the magic of the circus into your homes, but I'm not really dressed the part. Oh, thanks, Bunny. That's better. Now I am ready to help you out with some balancing on the tightrope, bit of hand-eye coordination with your juggling clown, and there might even be a few monkeys around too. We are going to get all warmed up first of all by practicing balancing on different number of body parts. Let's get going. Let's go. Start with a run. Can you run forwards and backwards? And forwards, and backwards, and fast, and slow, and fast, and slow. Freeze. Let's see if we can balance with one body part. Oh! That's a bit tricky. Let's try 1 foot. Should we hold it for 3 seconds? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a bit wobbly. Let's go for a gallop. This way. Side to side. Step and slide, and freeze. Let's see if we can balance with 2 body parts. 1, 2. That's easy peasy. Let's try 2 different body parts. 1, 2. Oh, that one's a bit tricky. Let's hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh, great balancing, everybody. Let's see if we can jump up high. Touch the ceiling this time. Boing, boing, boing. Hey, I wonder if we can go side to side. Forwards and backwards. Boing. Freeze! Good jumping, everybody. Let's see if we can balance with 3 body parts. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Let's try a trickier one. 1, 2, 3. And this one's tricky. Let's hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Wow, good balancing. Let's try a bit of rolling. Oh, wonder if my trousers are too big. Whee! Ooh, I'm back again. Whee! Maybe some of you might even want to try a forward roll. Ready, steady, let's go. And freeze, everybody. Let's try 4 body parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hold it. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And let's go for a walk on our hands and feet. Let's go. Hands and feet, hands and feet, hands and feet, hands and feet, hands and feet. Look forwards and backwards. And freeze. I know another way that I can do 4 body parts. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we hold that one there for 3 seconds? 1, 2, 3. Maybe we can even walk like this. Like a crab. And freeze. Great job balancing, everybody.
Oh, hi everyone. You caught me practicing my balancing there. Here at the Little Gym, I have my lovely circus tightrope. Now we're going to try some balancing skills, so you might need one too. You can roll up a towel, maybe you could even find some tape and put a nice line on the floor, or you can even use your imagination. So I'm going to wait here, you go find yourself a tightrope, and I'll see you in a mo. All right, so we have our tightrope. Now grown-ups, I don't know if you know, but the first time when we get up on our feet, when we're little, we do a little bit of a wobble like this. Now using a tightrope or a straight line is really helpful for our little ones to help align those hip flexors and get those feet putting one in front of the other and walk in a straight line. So I've got a really nice song for us to sing all together. We're going to do it a few times, so I'm sure you'll be able to join in soon. Are you ready? First, we're going to start with some walking. Here we go. 5 little elephants balancing, step by step, along the beam. Oh, what fun it is to sing. 5 little elephants balancing. All right, we're going to try some galloping this time, some step and slides. Ready? 4 little elephants balancing, step and slide along the beam. Oh, what fun it is to sing. 4 little elephants balancing. Ooh, that was a bit wobbly. All right, we're going to try some jumping this time. We're going to have 3 elephants. Are we ready? 3 little elephants balancing, jumping, jumping along the beam. Oh, what fun it is to sing. 3 little elephants balancing. Oh my goodness, I had a wobble there. Are you ready? We have 2 elephants left, and this time I think we might tiptoe along the beam. Are we ready? 2 little elephants balancing, tiptoe, tiptoe along the beam. Oh, what fun it is to sing. 2 little elephants balancing. Oh, we have 1 elephant left, and I think we could work on those forward rolls along the beam. We've been practicing this one, I know you have. Let's give it a try. 1 little elephant balancing, forward roll along the beam. It's a tricky one. Oh, what fun it is to sing. 1 little elephant balancing. Thanks for joining me in my song and my tightrope activities. Maybe you could think of some more to try at home.
I am not too good at juggling, so I need to practice my throwing and catching skills so I can get really, really good at this. Have you ever noticed that your little ones struggle to catch a ball? They might bring their hands together just a second after it's been thrown, or maybe they completely miss it and look in the wrong direction. This is because they need to develop their hand-eye coordination. We can help them with this by slowing the activity down. We can start with something like a scarf. It moves slowly. It gives your little one time to track the object with their eyes, work out the depth perception, work out what they need to engage to actually catch it. This is kind of like level 1. This is the first thing you can start with. You can play throwing and catching with this for ages. Next level is actually a balloon. You see it still moves nice and slowly. Got loads of time to catch it, but it's more like a ball shape. So I can practice bringing my hands together just like this. Here we go. Woo! Once your little one's had a go at that, you can try with a large ball. You can see it's got a similar shape to the balloon, but it's moving a bit faster. It's a bit heavier. They might miss it just like that, but that's okay. Just keep practicing. When they've mastered it with this, you can even go on to a small ball. This one is actually really, really hard for our little ones. You'll see quite often that after it's thrown, their hands miss it because they have to really engage their fine motor skills to be able to do this. If they find this one easy, then stand further away. Maybe you can throw it up higher for them to catch. Give them challenges. Have some fun with your throwing and catching, and your child's future teacher is even going to really thank you for this, as it's going to help them with their handwriting skills if they've really got this hand-eye coordination down. Maybe we can even try it with a really, really big ball. Ah! Help! Is anyone there? Ah! Oh, we've done juggling. No more juggling just for now. I want to practice my monkey jumps over here with Minnie the monkey. Grown-ups at the little gym, we call our beginner cartwheels monkey jumps because it helps us start to get the action ready for a full cartwheel one day. I'm going to show you all the little levels we have to help your little one get up to this, okay? Level 1 is just quite simply hands and feet on the floor, but you're going round in circles. Make sure you go both ways. Grown-ups, this is helping with our bilateral coordination and also starting to get the kind of rotation happening. See if your little one can give it a try with me now. Let's go. All the way around this way. And the other way. You're not going to know yet which arm and which leg your little one likes to cartwheel on. So giving the opportunity to always do both ways is really going to help them out. The next level is getting some weight on those hands. So we do our kind of little donkey kicks at the little gym. We do our little eat-alls just like this. Let's see if your little one can try a few eat-alls with me. Let me show you from the side. Eat-all. From the front. Eat-all. And round the other side. Eat-all. That's a very static movement, but we're making sure that your little ones can hold their weight on their arms and their shoulders. Now we're going to get moving from side to side. So 2 hands down, feet out wide, and we're going to jump from one side to the other. See if your little one can try with me. I'll just show you from the side. If your little one is struggling to separate their legs and use them differently, maybe you can put something down for them to put their feet on every time. Now, I think we're ready to do the full monkey jump. Let me show you. What we say is hands down, jump around. Ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ah, ah. Just like that. Let's see if you and your little ones can be monkeys with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Ooh, ah, ah. Hands down, jump around. Hands down, jump around. If you keep practicing those at home and at the little gym, then your little one will be able to do big cartwheels one day. Be a real acrobat at the circus.
Hi guys, Teacher Emma here. I have a lovely circus story to try with you today. Maybe you could copy my actions and let's do it together. On my way to the circus, I saw the biggest circus tent in the whole wide world. It had so many colours on it. Red, yellow, blue, green and orange. It was so tall that I couldn't even touch the top. Now while I was at the circus, I saw a funny clown. He liked to wobble all around and balance on one leg, ooh, and on the other leg too, ooh, just like that. And then do you know what I saw? All the way down here on the ground, I saw some monkeys. They were jumping all around. They were jumping way up high in the sky, this way. And then they jumped all the way up in the sky, this way too. And then do you know where the monkeys went? They climbed all the way up to the top of the tightrope, and they did some balancing on their tippy toes. Some of them were even balancing on one leg, ooh, and the other leg on the tightrope. It was pretty tricky. And then when I'd finished seeing all of the things at the circus, I looked way up high at the tent again. They closed their doors and the tent went all the way down until it was flat on the floor. And that was the end of my circus journey. Thank you for joining in with me. We have had a great time at the circus today, but let's sing one more song before we go. I think you're going to know this one. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, shake your foot. If you're happy and you know it, shake your foot. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shake your foot. Last one. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Well done everybody. My name's Teacher Jade and this has been the Little Gym at Home. See you next time.
It's time to say goodbye.